So we are going to prepare a statement of affairs at the start. When preparing a statement of affairs at the start, no need to take into account adjustment. We just have to debit all the assets and credit all liabilities. The difference will give us capital at the start. So here we are, motor van at the start. We have motor van at the start. How much? 50,000 asset. We have trade receivable at the start. Again, asset. It will be on the debit side. Trade receivable, 10,000. We have trade payable liabilities. Trade payable liabilities. At the start, trade payable 6,000. We have loan at the start. Liabilities 12,000. We have cash at bank at the start. Asset, how much? 18,000. And then we have bank overdraft liabilities at the start. Bank overdraft at the start, it will be 2,500. So we have to add the total. This will give us 78,000, and this one will give us 20,500. 20,500. So the difference will give us capital at start, capital at 1st January, capital at 1st January, capital at start. So how much? Second set 1,500. Ça nous donne 57,500 capital at start. Okay? Very easy to prepare statement of affairs at the start. We have to put on the debit side, that is on the asset side, all assets, motor van, trade receivable, cash at bank, which are at the start of the period. And then we have to put all liabilities on the credit side. Liabilities at start, we have trade payable, loan, bank overdraft, and then asset less liabilities. This will give us capital at the start. So here we are, so far concerning capital at the start. We have to do it in this way. Now we are going to see capital at end. Again, we have to prepare a statement of affairs, but this time we have to take into account the adjustment. All adjustments should be taken into account when preparing statement of affairs at end, that is to calculate capital at end. Format will be the same. Format will be the same. We just have to take into account the adjustment. Here we are. Let's see the first adjustment. Make a provision for doubtful debts of 10%. So we have to calculate provision for doubtful debts of 10%. Provision for doubtful debt is always calculated on trade receivable. So provision for doubtful debts is equal to 10% de trade receivable at the end 15,000. Ça nous donne 1500. Therefore, we have to 15,000 retirer 1500. Voilà. This one here we have to put trade receivable means the workings given. We have already done the first working 1. Ça nous donne combien? 15,000 retirer. Ça nous donne 13,500. Voilà. And then depreciate motor van by 20%. Depreciation on motor van, 20% de motor van. How much is motor van? 80,000. Donc, ça nous donne 20%, ça nous donne 16,000. Et puis 80,000 retire 16,000. 80,000 retire 16,000. Here we have motor van. Only motor van, 80,000 retire. This will give us 64,000. 64,000. And then the trader sold a private equipment costing 19,000 and the cash received was deposited into the business bank account. This is additional capital. Cash drawings are good. All these will not be recorded in the statement of affairs. So we have only 2 adjustments, and then we copy. Motor van trade receivable. We have trade payable with trade payable here. Trade payable for December, how much? Trade payable for December, 4,000. And then we have loan for December. Loan for December, 16,000. And then we have Kasat Bank, December. Kasat Bank for December, 25,000. And then we have Bank Overdraft, December. Bank Overdraft, combien? Bank Overdraft, 3,500. So here we are, how to prepare a statement of affairs act, and this one will give us the total 112,500. 112,500. If we lot, when we do 23,500, 23,500, we less it, we will get capital act N, capital act 31 décembre, capital act N. This will give us 89,000. 89,000. Here we are. We have to take into account the adjustment. We have two adjustments, one for trade receivable and one for depreciation. For trade receivable, this will give us 13,500, and here this will give us 64,000. Both adjustments have been taken into account to prepare statement of affairs at 10, so we get capital at 10, 89,000. Now we can prepare the statement of profit or loss. How to prepare a statement of profit or loss? You still remember, in a profit and loss statement we have capital at start, less capital. We have this one, two columns. We will have, here we are, statement of profit or loss. Statement of profit or loss. Here we will have capital at N, it is a format given to you. Capital at N, nous avons eu combien? 89,000. Less capital at start. Less capital at start. We have calculated capital at start 57,500. 57,500. This will give us increase in capital. Increase in capital. So increase in capital, 31,500. 31,500. And then we less additional capital. Additional capital. This is adjustment number 3, 19,000. You know, 31,500, which is 19,000, 12,500. And then we add drawings. Drawings, we have two drawings. We have cash drawings. Cash drawings, how much? 7,500. Et nous avons, we have drawings of goods. Drawings of goods, 17,000. We have to add both. This will give us 24,500. And then we add, we get profit for the year. Profit 3,300. Profit 24,500. Then we add this one, will get 36,500. Ça nous donne 47, ça nous donne 37,000. Okay, là? This will give us 37,000. 24, 25, 25, 37,000. Yeah. Okay, là? This is 37,000. 37,000. So here we are concerning the statement of profit or loss. We have to take capital at N. We have already calculated less capital at start. This will give us increase in capital, 31,500. Less additional capital, 19,000, ça nous donne 12,500. Et add drawings, 7,500 et 17,000, ça fait 24,500. 24,500, ensuite avec 12,500, ça nous donne 37,000 profit or loss for the year. So here we are concerning computation of capital at start, capital at end, and statement of profit to calculate profit or loss for the year. So you may be given multiple choice on this part where you will have to calculate the missing figure. At times capital item will not be given, so you have to replace in the format, or profit may not be given, you have to replace to calculate profit or drawings and so on. So it is important to master this format properly so that you can tackle the multiple choice question in the exams. Thank you very much for your attention.